Alright, here's some more videos of the ambient lighting. This is on the passenger footwell. Cup holder. Like I said in the other video, I'm still trying to find this part number for this one up here. Then you got the driver's side footwell. And you got your rear console back here. Don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. Yeah, there's a little glimpse of it. You can see two little dots there. This is all finished up now. And you can change the colors of them. Those are the colors that you can choose from. Here's some more of what it looks like. I'll show you down on this driver's side. That's the driver's side foot pedal, and they all will change to the color to what you pick. I also noticed that, let's say I have red. I noticed that if you turn the car off, it changes color. So you turn the car back on, it turns to the color that you left it on. Turn the car off, it'll give you a nice little different colored. So that's the ambient lighting all finished up. Thanks for watching.